Tillamook is a small town along the northern Oregon coast and is named after the Native American tribe, the Tillamook, who have lived in the area for 600 years. It is now mostly known for dairy farming and, of course, the famous Tillamook cheese factory. We stopped in for a quick visit to pick up some squeaky cheese, or you probably know it as cheese curds. From the cheese factory, we wound our way onto some local back roads past century-old farmhouses, looking for that perfect gravel road that will lead us to camp. The coastal forest roads are an amazing place to explore if you're into ferns, moss, dense trees, and abundant creeks. Luckily for us, this is our favorite place to be. The trees hung onto their last remaining colorful leaves, enticing us to explore further and further up the road to see what we could find. We could spend all day driving roads like this, anticipating what is around the next corner, hoping to find that next magical campsite. Well, we found a pretty good site along the river. What river?
I don't know.
We should know this kind of stuff. We didn't plan very well.
Really look.
Kind of a last minute camping trip. Novembers are always super busy for us with birthdays and Thanksgiving and firewood and work. So
yeah, lots of stuff this month.
Yeah, we're just getting out for a quick overnighter. We don't really explore the areas around our house as much as we probably should. We're maybe an hour from our house.
Hour and a half, yeah.
Outside of Tillamook, and we always take these long, amazing trips and kind of forget how amazing the areas right around us. Yeah. So
this turned out pretty good considering that you found this on Google.
Yeah, Google satellite. I just saw a spot off the river, and 19 miles down this road, we are here. Yeah. It's super cold out.
Oh my God, it's so cold. And the wind's not helping it. Ooh.
Try to get a fire going tonight, we think. We brought some firewood, but if it's too windy, we may go back to the propane fire pit. But
yeah.
Let's get it started.
Yes.
Breaking out.
Tensillation.
Famous tensillation. First time since, I don't know, long time ago.
Long time ago, yeah. But it's cold out.
final touch.
It's gonna be a small person to get up here.
There we go. Fully insulated tent. Homemade. Nice job, babe. And our love-hate relationship with our Go Westy window covers.
These things
These
just
suction cups flatten out after a while.
they're the worst.
We
Especially
need to put magnets on them. We keep saying we're going to do that every summer. Guess what? Didn't do it again.
Get them to go up there and then just don't touch it.
Good luck. Now I know where Emma gets it from. What do you want to do with this?
Well, I figured it would help burn it, but I don't know if we can like break it down.
I didn't bring a chainsaw.
See? Oh. We will have a fire.
You find something to do with that burrito you didn't like?
So this is a negative 10 out of 0 to 10. It was horrible.
Let's check out what happened earlier today. It's been a while.
Tis the season for a game burrito.
From, where are we?
Market Express in North Plains. I don't know. It's kind of a small burrito, but I'm a little sad. I could only get the one bite you saw me eat down. It's going to sacrifice its life for us to get the fire started.
We use the burrito as a fire starter.
Yeah, so it's not very good. It's literally hard as a rock. And I'm very sad about burning it, but thank you, burrito, for giving your life for us.
Uh-oh, there we go. There's our burrito in there. Turn to coal. We are going to what? Fumble our way through street tacos?
We had an idea in the head, but to actually do it, we'll see if it happens. It'll be
edible. It's a lot different over a campfire in the dark than at home.
I mean, it's going to be edible. It's not going to be pretty, but it'll be edible.
Marinated in street taco marinade, whatever that is, I found on the internet.
Looks good.
Here we go, our first Campfire Street tacos.
Good stuff?
Mm-hmm. The meat is so good.
We learned some lessons this time. So
Campfire cooking is really hard.
it is very hard to do.
People make it look really easy on the internet.
Yep.
Especially when it's windy out and
Freezing
dark. And we
dark.
we forgot our headlamp, of course.
Mm-hmm.
I changed the batteries and left it at home. So, well, these are delicious. Yeah.